Hello and welcome to another Vifto tutorial. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to add an account to your Vifto platform. So let's make a start as we always do. Left hand side, we need to select accounts, and it's about the second one down, accounts. Now when you open up your Vifto platform, what you'll notice is that in accounts is already a comprehensive default list of accounts to choose from. But we would want to know how to maybe change the title of these accounts to make it a little bit more unique to your organization and your business. Perhaps you want to add a brand new account altogether. Let's take a look at how to do that now. Okay, so we have our accounts here. As you can see, you have the heading and then all of the relevant accounts listed underneath. So let's find, say, some of the accounts which are more commonly used. That would be sales and cost of sales, and here we are. So you'll notice that there's the account code to the left hand side. This obviously helps to group together the relevant accounts and separate them from each other. Now we have under this heading, we have sales type 1 all the way through to 4, and you'll see under here cost of sales, and then basically the same underneath. Now you want to make that make sense to you. So let's take a look and see how to edit one of the accounts. To do that, left hand side again, we're going to need manage accounts, and then you'll notice it's the same list. However, this time there's an option to delete or to edit, and of course we wish to edit. So let's take a look at the ones that we had. So 6 we have here, sales is the heading, 6101 sales type 1. So let's edit this to be something which we'll recognize as useful. Okay, so click the edit pencil right hand side, the account code is correct, and this is what we're going to change the account name to. Accounting services. The account type, of course, it's an account, not a heading. Profit and loss, balance sheet, no, it's profit and loss. The account nature, is it income or is it expense? Well, in this instance, it shall be income. Okay, and press save, and there we have it. If we now go back and check again, accounting services 6101. So there we have it. That's how easy it is to edit one of the accounts that's already there. Now, what happens if you have a service which isn't necessarily included in this list, and you need to create an account, say for plant care? Someone frequents your office, takes care of the plants, maybe adds a couple of flowers here and there, and we need an account to include that as an expense. So what we would do is we would need to find the heading which makes the most sense, and then see if we have something there available which we can assign. Okay. So again, down to around about here, we have expenditure, it could be, but then we have administrative expenses. And as you can see housed in here, we have cleaning, so it's around about the same type of topic under this heading. Now, under the account code, you'll notice that there are gaps. This is so you can just simply insert your own account and you can have the right account code in sequence. So we can see cleaning here. 7211, 7209, so there's a 7210 available, so let's use that. All right, so we need to add an account now, so off to the left hand side, add account. The account code, as we just discussed, 7210, that's available. The account name, let's say it's plant care. The account type is not a heading, it is an account, and of course the classification is profit and loss. And the nature in this instance now, it's going to be expense. Okay, obviously we're paying for this service. So once we're ready, we simply save, success, account added successfully. So let's take a look at those accounts. You could simply type in plant, and here we have plant care. It's here at the bottom, 7201, or you could, of course, add the code, and there it is. And that's it. That's how easy it is to edit, to manage, and to add an account to your Vifto platform. Thank you very much for joining me on this tutorial. Please join me again for another. All the best.